signal of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal, and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality working order. This concludes the weekly test of the No Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm device. Elsewhere across the region, wind was west at 18 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.93 inches and steady. Shreveport, Louisiana, mostly sunny and 78. Little Rock, Arkansas, cloudy and 66. Memphis, Tennessee, partly sunny and 71. Tupelo,